As I was watching them, you are good. Thank you. Thank you. I talk about very good to anybody. What I do is my passion, is my calling. It doesn't matter. I don't allow anybody to see me as a good person. Because whenever I start sounding like a good person, that will be getting a lot of people who go. Don't you sound like a good person in presence of anybody? When you make buy, it be a lot of debt that you will never finish to pay. And I'm gonna choose a good person to anybody. Lie. I'm not good a person. I'm just me. You know, actually, you become a nice person. I refuse to be now, and I refuse to be subdued by any bagger when it doesn't matter whether Ogechi is a bad person or a good person. It does, and when he'll change it, you feel it. So guys, please help me to share the program. Follow the return of a fulefu when the you're highly welcome. Join me in this page. I don't need a credit from anybody. If you don't want to be good, then stop doing stop doing good. I can't stop it now. No, you don't understand what I mean. What I mean is that I don't do things for people to say, oh, omega, but I just have to be me. That is me. You know what you see as good thing, people will not see it as a good thing. Don't misunderstand me. Hey, what I go? Kenneth Chibu is my brother. Do not misunderstand me. Oh, hey, what I go? I want you to understand where I'm coming from. Hey, what I go? So I want you to see
this morning I woke up.
What I go? My queen, my queen of all queens for life, always stay blessed. Thank you, my darling. I thought I'm need busy, my darling, no child, but I missed you, though. I don't understand. Okay, Kenneth, now what I mean, see, everybody in our home as Ogechi is the bad person, right? So much, okay, what I do is me. Whatever I do is me. I don't do anything to please anybody. You understand what I'm trying to say now? Like Ogechi is the bad person. Let us join hands and fight her. We must fight her. You know, some people are claiming authority, how they made me, how they made people start liking me. As you say, I get too much enemy now. They could make them day their day. I don't want any more. Actually, no, you don't understand. Actually, no, I don't need that. Please, help. That kind of a thing. You know, everybody wants to earn a credit. Many people baby don't love or wagi. Many people baby don't know who's as a good person. You know, those. Please, I'm not adding anybody here because that kind of a thing. So I wish for people to join my enemy. You want to go? David, if you comment again, I'll block you. I'm not gonna help you. I don't have any help to give you. And stop disturbing me. If you keep that, I will block you everywhere. I don't have any help to render you. With all due respect, Biko. When anything for you, please. Stop calling me. Please. And I'm at that part twice. I'm a very wise person. I'm a very mad here, but if you take me as I'm stupid, I will block you. Don't start doing what? Stop Obinna. Stop sending me here. I'm not adding anybody. So because I chose him anybody to help me again. It's better you join my enemies. Oh. That thing no in na go big foko. That thing in no gane if you think somebody have taken your position. That thing in ni feel when they made that thing me. That thing in no feel that you want to join my enemy. When they fuck off. I have not benefited shit from you. I'm being the one losing. So I don't want you. I beg you, make una go na away. But a lot of things and I can negotiate me so. Nonetheless, you be thinking that I will be babysitting a grown-ass woman crying on morning, afternoon, night. Please, that's a copy. You better go back and make peace with everybody you know that I'm enmity with. So can we rest? We rest. If you rush to my enemy and start telling them, thank God I like in the moment, not when I got that mother will know my in and out. I'm a very wise to a fault. You want to go? Please, you know, I want all of you to go. I offer any after that 300 and something thousand, it become a problem. Menye onya I'm princess 100,000, it become a problem. What is going on? If somebody come close to me, it become a problem. Hey, why would this person take your glory? I beg you. My money, I choose to give it to whoever I pleases. Or because of all after that, 1 million, 500,000. It's my. I'll choose to give anybody. If Chief Pilot want to become my best friend today, it is my decision. If you feel like it, somebody is taking your position, somebody wants to take it, I'm giving it up. When they move on, I beg you. I'm not going to get this blew up. And when him too much thing to handle. Because you only want to add the number. Bronya, Baba me, praise him, kiss him. I don't care. As a reason, I know they even watch anything again. I don't block every unblockable. No, now where they monitor me, no, where they see me. I know they see you now. Now, Zaga gist, I go look updates. You want to go? Now, Zaga gist, they give me happiness. I like it. I like even. There is something Eziokwu now, if I'm not mistaken, how to create an app. I'm gonna monitor a goal on an NGO. I am interested. I am interested in that app. I probably call the Kema Honyo Gecho. The Kema Honyo, or the Kagation number, may peace with our. God forbid. Or the Ganation anything to do with our. I rather by me. Because anybody all I'm on I had in Amma. Ya Bapo. That made my enemy friend. That one is greater than Onyamon I had the Benama before. I just have to let you know. That's how I the reason. You know. It's better I start fighting on outside that the very plain and when him on edge than I'm gonna get the Magabapo. That join my enemy. There is no way on this earth they may be. That is my philosophy in life. Oh. Oga Karamuma to reconcile with somebody. Let me be honest with you. Oga Karamuma to reconcile with somebody. That we were just fighting. We have not been in good time before. When I got the Bema before. And somebody overnight. When I get the drama, you start for no reason. I never offended you. You start interfering in my personal life. You start talking about so I try to know how to, digesting all these things. I don't want it anymore. if you can join my enemy, there is no need. Now that means you have been an enemy inside for all this while. You want to go? So I don't want all these return, go back and return, go back. If for life, for all. If for all, if for all. If for all, if after all, excuse me, don't you know that there will be a lot of enemy because of me? Enemy me go pay you. So it's better you will save your life. Because I wouldn't like you to die because of me. So it's better I did this how I did now. It's better off. What I got said, I'm not on a beacon. My manage my bem. I'm rushing on them. Imagine again like this game way free. You be free. I like it. You know, one thing I understand in this life is that progress brings a lot of enemy. Success attracts a lot of enemies. And I begin to realize it to an extent. You're not success. And when it's better you make your circle very small. You make your circle very, very small. The better it is for you. Go and mark my words. No, we mind your business. You want to go? So, honor them, very vigilant and very careful whatever you do in life. So, my dear, be yourself. It's like I choose my friends. I'm a grown ass woman. Friends do not choose me. I'm one choosing them on a I want to go. Friends do not choose me because I'm get save them. I'm get protect me. I'm appreciating kunu meneme. You want to go? I'm appreciating kunu meneme. I chose him get protect me anymore. I just want to be like this. Because I get koromaki him a boya. You want to go? So like I'm mutation or that a natural protection can protect because I can't protect anybody. I protect each other when protect my mother. You know, one thing I realize is that you wanna be a general no one. You start to reason. Monday brigade go get refuse you become their enemy. But some people why would I borrow you money in the first place? Why would I borrow you from 10 million, 12 million, 6 million? Why would I even be in a position to borrow you money? Is it not the same obodo you be no come? Yeah, we're going to get borrow you tomorrow now. Saga. Anyone ego lam nyere give is the money I will forget to. You understand what I mean? It's not something. How can I borrow you 12 million, 6 million, 10 million, 20 million? For what? But go didn't buy. Somebody I met on Facebook. I don't know you. And you want me to borrow you that amount? Nah, I don't understand though. People don't even know where all these pains, things are coming from different angles. It's not what you're looking at is the problem. It's not anything. I'm just saying generally. Generally. I don't know where people will feel that, but though you become a different one. I don't know. Thank God I have my husband around though. I could have still be dashing people with money. Because you know they make him even the money he send there today, he monitors it. And the cost money, probably baby, no. And the no tiller restriction, and when we can send the reggae go backfire, it will not go. But then we tell them another trick. Now, what chop yesterday? You see what I'm saying? I'm somebody that gives, but I don't know that people take it as I don't understand. You want to go? So I try to curtail it as much as I can. You know, I mean, why would I even? Sometimes I begin to get this amount of money now. It's a way like a war. I should area la mueri la. I got you now. Okay, cherry like you area la. I'm gonna come game. I got my children get them a baby now. How? You understand what I'm saying? So because here is gonna because we're only get create that software for me. And now monitor go get in a NGO. I'm interested though. Because here after you very dark money with the very good. So when you like donate go, you na monitor go account and call I get with the I am party to it though. Because I was watching share this is the good idea. At least see 100 billion now one raise so I think it's a very powerful idea. I like it. I'm interested because you don't like me create the software. Because now I join I create can I monitor this account. Also carry along. Because maybe imagine they go on the account too much. I'm a party to it though. I like it, but it's a very, very good one. I like it, honestly speaking. So my dear people, I didn't come here for much things. I got in busy with a lot of things. My husband did me so. Can you let me the I get make sure this December because processing on here fact. Oh shit. So it's been hectic and how many other cases go thrown down on this saga. I'm coming for J Park again. I just come run the chan up when the thing is too much in you know, he couples with his brain and the demon now a few minutes no he keep them he send the other this one he may nanka so come book at the brain tomorrow. Let's see whether everything will round up this December. So January will be a new beginning. Okay, what I go so my dear, many things is the problem. But I really don't give a fuck. I really don't give a fuck. I really don't care. I really do not fucking care. I cannot babysit a grown-ass man or woman. He believes that Ogechi with a bad character. Don't come close to me. I believe that you are the perfect person. You are a very good person. Good, take your good to impart other people. I don't need it anymore. You have done enough. Whoever you are, because when they move on, however you, if you like, put on a lot on my desk. I'm not depressed. I'm not saying I'm not any source of anything. I am okay. But the way I am good. I decided to make my circle this way. What I go? I decided to make my circle this way. So you all I'll be responsible for it. What I go? So I want to be left like this. Become. And I'm actually mad. I want somebody not back on mad. I don't really look for much friends. What I go? Because when I got put outside it today, they are shame home. Yashome go the morning pataya. Is it them? So my dear, that is how it is. She even asked you to call police. Who asked me? I don't understand that. One more man akubiro. See apartment I see they live. I never buy a house. That's a house I name Oh, hello. An apartment I still they live. People will buy house come they still live. As well I'm all. I see they manage this my apartment. I don't know what to be the problem. I just they manage my thing. So make a day my day bikono. Na me be the best person. Na me bully everybody. Na me pay everybody. Na me look for trouble. Na me I don't hear. Gawazina. Pack your property, they go. Okay, you are bad. Okay, she's a bad person. Okay, she don't. People they will game you on your game. Okay, she be this. Okay, she this. Gawazina. Go. I don't. Call me and no go pick up. That's why I know they pick up anymore. Can't you see that the handwriting is obvious that actualism? When somebody starts dimming your call, starts avoiding you. Makiga matana is avoidable entirely. Was in block or that you're no longer needed. Igbo me lupo mala. I know they big. He connect and but I don't want no look at my opinion because I told him I don't want to. It's gone, it's over. I shouldn't go wala gene okunu na chisowa okwanyu na chisalamowa. I don't move on. Find a way and move on. You want to go find a way back. Odika this ex-convict na kona. Ex-convict cannot leave her alone because man that friendship won't lose. If I don't have anything to do with you, I will just move on. If I'm not benefiting, you do not gain anything from me, I move on. I will not go inside planning onega manye go yabagewo. I will not go thinking about you because I've left you. Am I not what I'm saying? I've left you. So can we just leave? You can see ex-convict is still in pain today because you know what? I could feed them. I could give them money. I could do everything for them. I could is no longer interested. Move on. Go your way. Friendship must work. It must not work. Oh. It must not work. Oh. It must not work. Oh. And when that today, they are angry at me because everybody now go more Kalesia. Okay, you are the rock of this Facebook. They are angry about it. They will just start overnight to start sagaring you for no reason. Just because again, people listen to you, people follow you, despite all their lies and bigotry, and people still love you, people still glorify you, people still honor you, people know that you got something they don't have, so they believe they will come out and say and start a shit. You reply them when no nye kana mweka and mad. Mouth are meant to be running. Mouth are meant to be running. You want to go? You are just nobody. You are swambronala. You are dry. Another. So that I want you to understand that part. Why don't you leave J-Pack or Hapalam? J-Pack or Hapalam? Even one year, everything they do is ogechi. What J-Pack can tell me? They cannot do without me. Oh. Am I looking at them? My main focus with their products. Any ambassador, that's not what I'm doing. It's not. Oh no, happy. I can happy Ogechi. I got your email live video. Comment Ogechi. What Ogechi? But I call there. Why are you guys even stupid? Why are you guys even stupid? J-Pack will learn how to mind his business in this blue app. He has to know how to leave other people alone. You want to go? Now he has learned to mind his business. Some people thought I need apology from J-Pack. Hell fucking no. Oh, go don't mind him. Go don't learn how to mind your business. People say if you end up, no, Jim apology again. Jim apology again. Or just for him to know that he needs to learn how to mind his business. No sell many people. So anybody yeah, my brother, I stand by you. I'm not saying dude now. I know they see you now. Do I notice you? Now you they notice me. Guys, click love and like. Click love. Frederick, I will also block you if you don't take your time. You know, I don't like you. From that yesterday, you utter that word. I don't just like. If you comment, stop commenting on my platform. For you to open mouth and say I'm nigga my daughter. I hate you. You're a child molester. I hate you. I don't like him, okay? You're a creditor. You're not supposed to exist. That should go. Zeremo Shina platform, and I'm telling you with honesty. Pushing go damage you from your lineage. There. I'm being honest with you. Alright, fuck off, Amanachi. I am F off. Fuck off. Get the fuck out of here. You are very useless and very hopeless. Fuck the fuck off from my platform. You're not needed here. Go to that useless place. Oh, no, the miserable. You are very useless. Very hopeless. And that is why God will never stop blessing me. Let that person come out to say, be done when I started. Well, Ndala. Come on, so Suzu, get the fuck out of this place. So, like Escom, Akwala Pugogi is over with. See how you're eating yourself on a daily basis. Every day, the guy know they notice you. Hey, you said Ako cannot come to Ngobala. But wait, Ako was there when you was present. You did not do anything. Ako was there. And when Ako Larala. Ako was there. Oh, give me the tagaba puta. What I go? And when you somebody don't any to cigar you don't want it. If you're tired of friendship, you move on. Why are you keep crying? Why are you keep crying? It's over with. Frederick, I have heard you, no problem. I saw your message, no problem. But please don't make such utterances next time. Please. Mr. Badr, I have heard you. No wahala. It's okay. I just read your message now. It's okay. They will badu. Yamana with more right than him one indigenous. Ex-convict, let me tell you one thing. Hunako with more rights than you one indigenous in that Ngobala. All the Okuki Kamji be here, but I just wanted to Imana that again on that, and you know that I come with more rights than you one indigenous. If I doubt me, go and make Pam a bacono. You are just a tout who is on the street hustling and ranting for no reason. I don't think I'm Jiribia, but I just wanted to delete some information from my sister. Actually, delete my time. I actually delete some files he saved. I am deleting some files that I've already saved. What I go? Imana kokagi. Even na that ngobala, you are just ramping. People should know that you want a mental problem. Now let's listen to your video, because that is the main purpose of MGBI. But I just wanted to chip. Can delete my page. What I needed to filter my files. Even when the files then on had well occupied, you wanted to filter them, and they filter alamuha. So now you have gotten my information clearly. Biko, thank you for everything you have done. Me the 2, me not the 3, me not the 4, me not the 5 are no longer comfortable around me. That is why Bible change is constant in human life. You want to go? If you're no longer comfortable in one particular place, you know, wound, that this person is accepting this person is giving this person more position than you. You want to go? It's time you pack your properties and go. There is no two ways about it. What I only gonna say. But each one na nature ebo onwe gi wo igbacha onwe gi you be first eager for threat to go onwe gi for threat chagala bo. Because of me, I don't have no beef with nobody. Nobody when beef with nobody. So you can also group nde pushina kokompo, you become one with them. Because I should not happy with a. So that's the one thing I want to put out there before I proceed. Now let's go to ex-convict platform. What are here? What I'm here? Okay, Ben. My account in Ninja bagging. Let me look for that account. Let me see. Okay, I'll declare my code my video better. Let's listen to Ewa. I don't know him here. Also, I told him here. Let's listen to Atono. Idiot, I told him here.
I don't know how people fabricate things. I'm not telling you that JPAC is 100% right. And I'm not here to defend him because
you are an idiot.
And this message was twisted in another way. People came to my inbox. A lot of people thought I was talking about them.
Share this program, please.
Thank you. I also like having you here. Good morning. Help me share this video once you join so that it will get to the chronings. Thank you for being here. Ofiji Debube, you're welcome. Ofiji, I am in Abuja. I think you're based in Abuja. I'm here. As you can see, I'm alone. All right. I continue.
Share the program, please. Follow this.
Before I will go straight to the issues of JPAC. I did like to start my basis from somewhere. Let me go it round. Now let me tell you this in clear notes. For those of you saying JPAC said this, JPAC said that, I want to ask all of you questions. When JPAC was saying this, saying that, what did you say? What did you say?
Then let him say the ones I said. When he was saying it, what did you that took JPAC function to ROC? It's over 4 days, yo. It's over 4 days. What stopped JPipe? Oh, we are face telling you what I said. Brain on hand, can't you remember the ones I said? Why are you asking me? Awalam ginkokuru, yagwazi ginkemkuru. Because my brain get very small. You have a little brain. You have a little minority brain to digest a very proper information. Mu agbagogi nkokuru. Gwaziemu nko gwara gị na mkpuru. Oh, you talk I'm wagging nkokuru. No, it doesn't work that way. He's your friend. He is your friend. Go and ask him with your bitter soul. No matter abaruno onahan usiono aburu abaruno ono. That deity that you took him to go and get Ogechi strike. 4 days agala. It's over 4 days and I'm still here. Ishako homo, Yeme homo, Okwaro homo, Oyamatu homo, Ishakuromo, Abarunu, Onahan. Does it mean that Abara is crippled? The Toshinapuga election, he did not allow you to win. I am not joking. You claim to be the Galadima that will bring justice, that will bring Gudela out. You know, I always tell people that you're nobody, you are an empty idiot. I will see what I will do. Gudela will get his freedom. What have you done? I will take the people, Madam lose your election. I will take them to court. Please, when is the court date? I will not enter Ngabala. I will not enter Ngabala. As I'm talking to you now, I could not go bala. Don't you have boys that you are in Abuja? Mobilize your boys. Tell them that I cannot go bala. Must you be a present to give command? I see with the boys, you will do this. Can't you do something once? Let people know that you are capable of doing anything. You was at present. I could visit that place couples of times. You couldn't do a goddamn thing. Why do you always come on social media to show muscle? Well, there is no muscle. You are just a beggar. J-Pack gave money to come and defend him. You are just an idiot. Who said Onyana Madonna alog? Onya who got one dibia or Gawana dibia no nya hefen go. What did you and J-Pack did? You see, everything you say, your word will always use against yourself as your word. Because from day one, I'm on the way here, Pastor. From day one to date, just that people feel that Ogechi with their pen. People, saga people, feel that Ogechi is their pen, knowing that you were fool, but they will still pretend that they want to hear Pastor. They know you are an empty idiot. Are you not the same idiot? I could that go and write to American embassy, say you will do it. Go and write. He said after burial, J-Pack and Ike. After burial, we will write a petition. J-Pack, are you still asking for my information? Are you still trying how to deport me from America to Nigeria? Or you're waiting for me to come to Are you idiots? Two foolish men. Are you hopeless? Are you guys still waiting for me? Let me tell you. You see, real men, they don't talk when they don't have action to back it up. You see why you are sounding like a fool? It's because you can't talk. You cannot talk and back it up with action. When you go out there, she J-Pack in a wedding. All these little contacts in our talk, you are just an empty idiot. My brother, when he passed, tomorrow. Their friendship is gone. I am now one day believe that Ogechi is not compatible with them anymore. We are no longer friends. Move on. That's one thing about me. I know they look for anybody. I don't look for anybody's face. And then now you go they come they cry. The main focus on your friend in a challenge. You guys are leaving that part alone. Why can't you guys keep one thing to prove to me that okay, I'm lying? My doctor is there waiting. Why can't he tell you the ones I said? J-Pack told me those ones I said. I will keep repeating it every day, every time. I see maintain my words. Nothing changed from there. I believe that is J-Pack no longer your friend? The ones I said. Why is he not telling you the ones I said? Why are you being the one jumping like a squirrel? Then I caught up ish. Is it no longer the FBI? Of course, you not getting ready for me in this saga. And don't wait now some people that are supporting him now. Why can't he stand in the game? Come on, why are you guys bringing all this up when all these prostitutes say we're no level less? Actually, challenge you, Putano. I cannot be fighting a war that is already a lost war. I'm going to come to fighting. I know they look for people that will fight. All these dead and alive idiots. Oh, Putano. Guys, please help me share this program because here my other page. I'm not using my main page because that's the listen.
You told me what J-Pack said. Did you tell me what you said? What did you say?
If you guys are asking this question, that means there was a conversation. If you guys are asking what I said, that means that Ogechi was not lying. There was definitely a conversation. That means Ogechi, that is truth upon what Ogechi is saying. Because if you're asking what I said, maybe Obalagi him kuru. That means there was a conversation. That was an established conversation between me and J Park. Because I'm a mokwa in the Gwagwagogina, yes, but I don't know why you're not man enough to come out and open your mouth and say the words I said. Okay, let me tell you, now I'm gonna give a share. You be the one to call Nkemu and expect you to say the ones because here that signify you as your friend or trusuru. No bail because I know he shared tears. This year, don't worry, any China that you will stand for him. Now, can't you put up that thing open through your works? Now I know there was a conversation, there was an establishment. That thing, be a man and say it. That is it. The main focus when J Park said he has taken up the challenge, what's stopping from doing the Nyash examination? Why are you guys bending on canap? That was the first thing that started this thing. And with witnesses, in fact, I have evidence. I'm not J Park you can push to play voice here play. In case of tomorrow, anyway other but I'm ready to back myself up. But I won't die to your part. Now to me, if you think I'm J Park, I am not J Park. You can't move me. And what did he get another word for me to prove any bastard anything? Anywhere up to I'm on a J Park, I will answer it with my honesty. I have witnesses, I have and with evidence. Because I was not the only person that were there the day J Park opened that mouth. All of them are still alive. All of them are still alive. So I'm not panicking of anything. So in the parade, make una pop out. At the ready at any given me. Guys, please help me share this program because yeah, my normal page.
Now let me tell you one thing, and I want you to go home with this. You see all of them saying J Park said this, J Park said that.
And they were idiots. You are very hopeless. Because you know why? Now let me start counting. Because of J Park said this, J Park said that. Are you not a hopeless man? And the Aturu Nanambra State or Karodia, yes, Sorogi, that your own Oshishi could not even rig the election and make you pass. Your own Abara could not even strike in the many destiny make God. Abaragi could not maneuver to tell you Ebehana Azuala when you were begging. You see how useless you are. You see how hopeless and useless you have become. You are the most hopeless thing on earth. Igraga Gawanabara. Because how many days he left to call the days will make it expire? 4 days they came for Unko Ori. It should not 4 days that thing should not leave Ogechi. And others. We are still here, healthy. Ishana akwani, and you have any medical problem, and you have any existing condition like J Park with diabetes and BP. Well, Basara money. A mommy here warrior, or the amamu, even come on over, I know they go. Issue yourself will just once in a blooming weather change here. Weather change here. You know what? So now you get a J Park with a pre-existing condition. Now, Tony we him with on. Anamagic, it can J Park accepted cold-heartedly. Now, China, give it to ya. Give it to that he can show. Why are you guys covering that area? Why can't he man up? Why can't you man up for him? Him, I will not guard the campus. Mbishi, Twaja. Now me are to go, they can't be sure no direction. I can if I'm there. Hurry up and go, or send your man. Aku is in Aku nona. Aku na Aku just through. She from Lagos, yo, to come and oversee Ngobala projects. It's not you would decay. Na mu gina mu shirigi ke. Na mu ge katarakata. Go there and face Aku. He's in Nigeria. Aku never na that bushmeat. Aku never na that bushmeat. Go there, wait for Aku. Or get send their boys to go and wait for Aku there. Arantizila. You're a man with no action. You do the run. Because that is how useless men behave. Go will collect some spam from Otula. They start acting like fools. Come on Tembeje Park engineer a divorce now molest people. And one on your say okay, Biama Boraga depend they can't you know that affect them. And then sit down.
JPAC said this, JPAC said that. If JPAC said this and that before you, you are a gossiper.
Of course, women are meant to be gossips. Women are meant to be gossipers. Why would a man be gossiping like a woman? Yes, I accept it with a cool-heartedly. And then that conversation and with a trace of truth, everything I said. Women are meant to gossip. Yes, I am a gossiper. I accepted it cool-heartedly. But I'm asking you, what did I say? Why would you be to collect million from his anus? To women. Now, but getting him in the first place, why would a man like JPAC, like a JPAC, every time you're on stage for 1 hour, now why? If I'm not the queen, if I'm not the Okalesia, if I'm not that woman on a way about me, hey, okay, my sister, hey, Okalesia, Emmanuel, if he's not bowing down, respecting me as the Lord, yeah, I've been on a pomo, Mokezi on a pomo, or on a pomo, Queen Mother, Otan Coach up on Queen Mother, Otan Coach up on Queen, and you too, you was calling me your Queen Mother too, me up on my phone, oh Queen, Keki man, all of you bow down for me. Take to say, what is the big deal? Is it because of now the truth? Yes. Why should serve woman as a queen mother? Other people would put a right to be there. Okay, this serve. I want you chase. I want to get a bridge. You bridge. You don't serve me. So other people will still serve. Oh, grace. And I bataya no. No, it's grace. It's grace. You can't beat it. You once call me, okay, Queen, you once see that. You see, all of you are bowing down for me. Believe it or not. They listen to your trash. I make before even on one you need a gossiper. But on Kega go gossip with people that matters. I can't gossip with JPAC. JPAC only an shika the area. I can't. Maybe today I did for social media when they teach their life history today. Nobody they hear them. Nobody they hear them. Till today. Talk it their way. Men in a way, a secret that they will not even tell their wife, they tell me. People that matter, so all this, I wanna be una.
Drastic gossiper.
Yes, that's what I am.
While he was saying all these things, what brought about those gossips? If actually they were true.
Oh, in Aju, what brought it out? Oh, really? In Aju, can Aju and you work after a shimmy, only a shimmy, the car for a fortune. Are you asking me? Are you asking me? Are you asking me? You should ask yourself. Eh? Oh, yeah, come now, Jugi. If I am a gossiper, my sister, if I am a gossiper, who is gossiping who to me? Is it not J-Pack that brought the gossiping to me? And also, Joe J-Pack and Wanama, where? A question and give me scores on my phone in one of him. And we be them time, all my siblings are here. Now then they tell me, say, okay, have fun. Yanaf, anybody around me got working the money with time. I no get, okay, change with time. I can't know didn't knock the Bombay, a papa and Girulan on a bomb, and way more time. If a grown-ass man like that is in his 40s, middle 40s, that can be picking up call to stage me, then with the APC now, Yana gossip. Is he a man? Oh, a man. I'm not calling.
J-Pack has said this one, J-Pack has said that. No man is the best on earth.
Oh, no man is the best. So him and I him could Eziokwu. You keep shooting yourself on the leg. No man is the best. So why are you judging me? Am I the best? So why do you think Ogechi should be the best? I should get everything right. But you can take J-Pack to Enwi. This life get as a deal. You see how useless you are. You are a very hopeless man. I keep saying it. You are a very hopeless man. Like it or not, you will be hopeless. Oh, no man is perfect. But you expect me to be perfect. You expect me to be perfect if I passe. Oh God.
What did you say at that point when this guy was talking? What did you contribute? Can I bring J-Pack on this camera to say the one you said?
Please. Please.
What did you say?
Please.
What brought about those words?
Please. Why how did he get me? Bring him. That means Eziokwu. That means Eziokwu. That means this conversation really took place. Sorry, really took place. That means have you guys seen it? Because I have more to say. The remaining. Do you think a woman couldn't get back his nishi? No. Many more. What putaya can boria ya more? I can age you every day on a call, conference call, and age you. Can boria the remaining that left for him. So him and I him could win. There was a truth in him. So Eziokwu putawala na koputawabe. When na abarunu ga kubunu. I can shoot no. It's just a matter of time.
There's one Igbo musician that said, now take note of this side. He said, listen again, he says, let
me tell you their tricks. Now, they have cooked up lies. Plan how since Ajuba because they know that Ejim Hana block us. Nobody what is about to happen. This is their plan. The reason why he made this video now. All that we have to formulate one thing because let us build lie and come out and say this is what Ogechi said. Mark my words. That was what Andy. I have many more to say. Everything I'm saying is nothing but the truth. Let us call J-Pack one day. Let J-Pack come and say. Then when you get chiku, make una bring that to Anomia. Eku Okajurumunono. There are many I have to say. Mekube. Such an kono popota make her up on her own story. That's in Uno Eku Kembe. When I bet you fake saga material and I work. Or we are going to go from little. Make una bring them out. I'm ready for it. Because there are many things I have never said. But I can edge more goes late. I'm ready. No fucking. Nde madu na echu na echoshi unu. Nke mara nke oge echi ka poputenu ya. I'm gonna bring them out. Dala.
The musician now went further and said, Okonke makolanke ya wane sanya mmeremo. You always say the words people must have said. If anybody brings gossip to my table, I will ask you, you were there when they were saying these things. What did you say? Secretly, you sneaked out and came to tell me what they said. What exactly did you say?
That is the point.
You see, anybody who has made a video, I said today I was going to respond to you. All those bloggers, those ones behind them, who has said one thing or the other, that JPA said this, JPA said that, to no evidence. No single evidence. All you say is, JPA said this, JPA said that. When he was saying that, all those things to you, what was your own contribution? What was your own input? What lingered to that same stories you are telling us?
Because I come out on Kenkoro. I don't go thank Kenkoro. Lie. Now it's not left for all of two of you. Ebuna mechana no wa mata na enwere such conversation that took place. Now Kozi and Kempu. It is how it is. I don't know why it's taking you guys time to go and cook up stories. I'm need to like joy Eziokwu. I know that was why you came out here, to say okay to Kipuru. That one is even from your own mouth. Why don't you want to say it? Oboroginono or da briginire. That is all. Who came through?
I don't know how people fabricate things. I'm not telling you that JPAC is 100% right. And I'm not here to defend him, because the times I put on my cameras here to bash on him, many of you don't see it. Many of you will not appreciate those sides.
You don't bash nothing. You are just a snake. You are just a snake. You are just a snake. Tamu form breeze. Oh, when you are karata. Tamu memory psychology 101 in school. Agonomoge ka ABCD. It will do pretend to be a friend. That is who you are. You're not even a friend to JPAC. You have any option now than to pretend to stand by JPAC because of one little share or that are waiting. Now contact you believe you know, and the contact yet really. Contact you on the contact. On the contact. Contact. Contact here, the only contact you we find every other person in they are Jew men when it comes to contacts. All of them are Jew, and they talk with my full chase. They don't get contact. Those people are contactless. I'm telling you the truth. You guys are contactless. Go and mark to them. The only contact we find, and that's today. Okay, no time. And we need nobody from A to Z I mentioned. The only contact if I know, may his soul keep resting in peace. I'm gonna contact you on the road today, and that ends that day. If I know, so every other thing, no, now just we have contact that worthy to be contacted. contacted. Believe it or not, go and mark him gonna get the truth. Make una go rest. You una baga, make una go rest. Jeresiano. Una you na maga. Jeresiano. Oge end kwa na biko. Onye buru nwanne, ogbualoba. Onye buru nwanne, ogbualoba. Onye buru nwanne. Oge end kwa like that. Onye ma ihe m na-ekwu ga-akụ ihe m na-ekwu. I nwere ọkwa contact. You are contactless. And they talk my own with full chase.
Now, upon your cameras, upon everything, upon your ranting on the internet, JPAC sold some piece of shops in Aba under 3 hours. In my presence, millions of nairas were being paid.
Come on, go and sit down. Jezurike. Go put on those people who the 10 can have the testimony. Or no testimony. But put on those people. Let me tell you, even if I post that shop here, people will still buy them. Him make free commercials. And I have started it from commercials. They will be commercialing everything for free. Some impact are being impacted in many things. Some impact you within those people through those millions of naira. Anybody can post anywhere. Him chokunu name free advertise. Ebola who na take a guy because who no relevant by all means. Because we hand a team madu. I can understand on a predicament. Even if you go there, please come let me video you because let me video you. You guys will be doing free thing. Upon anything. So if barala from 2 or 3, are you guys not ashamed of yourselves? I thought you were supposed to come out and say people bought about 10 only 20 just because of me. Go and see B Lord property, the investment up. Go and check B Lord. Nobody commercial for him. That estate or a charmad must offer 10 or how many. That is what you call products that's selling without no city. I don't everybody may pay platform. May we sell it at your own. You don't have to give all this idiot to commercial anything for you. They need to go and get a real job. You take a shower job you have for free. Don't allow these miscreants like when anything they can offer. They cannot offer sheets. Let them go get a better job. I'm going to dinga bomb here now. Telabe. Gene kang barunu na di my husband got bomb na she mere ya one thing. I tell her now. He care bro. I mean I should give this thing I mega is taking I'm not tell you. Gonna no got bomb before me make a program. That's only take you got much time of us. I'm not tell you. Yeah.
I want to ask you, It's not that your target is just how to sneak into certain of those contacts and start making them dry, start controlling them.
Hi, Agramuno Nanda, relationship Monaco with the problem. I don't tell you now. These two idiots call Dako. We want you to leave Ogechi and take us. Ogechi or us. Akwashi Ogechi Omeregegene. Because they believe no Ogechi will be a problem that is standing in between them and Dako. Akwaram Gagba. No, let me tell you. And we problem with it. Iwe how would that Ogechi no here. Name pa kwanya. She could be very wise. Now these people have nothing to contribute in your life than to make you dry. Eziokwu wonye na boy ya ni onu nya na esi. That is the only problem. A relationship with me. Nothing more. That what I'm doing is to go in. Let me tell you, I always said, go and write it. Contact now, contact direct. I don't need to call anybody. In Nabagi, the truth. People that I never even believed that they will pick up a call and call me. I never in my life. Joe Akwemwen and Ken connect Rihanna Aku yesterday. Akushuge. I do, that's what they call me. Akushuge. Ugi makodo. Now so I do, the person call me and say, make an add. As I'm talking to you, I have an appointment with Onyahu by next week. Or the office here. So, now contact they look for me. It's a grace. Imagine what you guys have damaged me on this blue app. People still love me for me being me. You don't understand. And when Onya Urubashino wa, you will not put a shit. Other than Nayanga, the way I don't think I have Emma, or a Purunaya, Nayare Puria, Amo, or also rushing the NGO. Who do you think that will associate with such person? But people that want it, dignitaries, people that matters in the society, who a church card and that will work a pollution. They still love me for me being real as a force. Abramuno contact uno contact us. Problem da una muna kona denama enwelo any other thing. Now how divert ale okay chichoganda reach out to her. Why would you reach out to me? Any dream? I don't need you now. Rather some big men here and email to use you just for you to zaralaha. To use you. I don't need it. Today, that's the people that are around me that have been advising me that cannot do for me. Now, if we're getting our support, if it's not ordinary local contact, why are you supporting Aro? Why can't you be man enough to call? Anna, what you did is wrong. Give him labor, give me labor. He did not see when I condemn him. Why are you so trickish? Why are you so manipulated bitch in nature? And I keep asking you these questions. Why? No problem. Whatever there is no problem. And however you guys want to maneuver it, but the thing is that you guys refuse to. That's on a Boregame as somebody who is a businessman who has traveled to build a brand. Friend I valued him and he's valued me as well. So we gonna deal with it. Ogechi is not supposed to represent you. Ogechi is not supposed to. Ogechi is not bad papa. And when we do no sheep, Ogechi Ebuka is supposed to come out to debunk Ogechi, to make a public announcement. And we pay trick uneshi be batanim inside of my lives. Uneshebu unefere, uneshebu uneforo, uneshebu uneforo, uneshebu uneforo. They a problem unu. Am I interfering on my own lives? Unu choro mama chogarunu. I'm not this same part in create una agapuna until una break by me. Anyway, you know hormone got chorel, and that I'm ready for now. I'm ready for now to go. Some I'm not about with the shit. Couple within the saga paria. Couple within the saga paria and that parinda. That 100,000 and nothing. All of you guys are useless because you don't need the jobless. Why are you guys so pained? Why can't you guys move on? Can you just pained? Them.
The one you are controlling right now, the Olodo.
I can't control you. Yes, I'm controlling him. Yes, I'm just pain. I'm just Calessian. Yes, for man. Yes, for Maggie. You cannot control him and control him. Deal with it. Ya for mage. Ya pepe mage. Ya kugeba. Ya kugeba. My love. Let me see whether he's available. Let me call him. Let me just call him to tell him how much I love him. Wait. Chere come boy. Ya kebono. Ako my love. Chere ma boy. Hey, up at the moment he'll live in. Let me try make him those voice. Jema boy. Let me call him. Listen all the business now. Come go dia. Man and go all the busy. But let me see what I will get hold of him. Hey. I got my that's for my game. Ya pepe my game. Hello, my darling. My sugar. How are you? Yeah, my darling, my sugar. I don't like program. I just want to tell people how much I love you. How are you? I love you, baby boy. I love you. How are you? Can you get little? Illegally? Illegally?
Yes, of course.
When feature Iri? When was it Choriri? When other thing?
I don't know.
You know? Okay, my darling. I just come check your email. Oh, you see? Oh, all right, there. You want to go here? I go me for Choriri. When you also Choriri. I when men are busy. All the busy. This is when men are busy. They don't have time to come and be gossiping like jobless, useless men like you. They are busy. Oh no. Contracts that worth billions, even millions of dollars. Oh, well, of time. Can I go the first to Dogbum? Can I first to Dogbum? Hello, Doc. How are you? Okay, come stand there again. Oga Commander. My first commander. Tell me, my first. The first Odogwu boro. The second Odogwu. That's how it is. You want to go? Now, so deal with it, oh. Deal with it, oh. Akwa, my darling. Akwa this love. But this love for Monaya. This love for Monaya. Oh, Gary got love for Chowani and Uruwani. You want to go? You know, be only Ako. I bet I shouldn't love for sugar. Bet I shouldn't love with Dr. Fortunate. Bet I shouldn't love for Dogu Male. Bet all who too much or they are many and they are Odogus. My husband, all of them are busy. They don't have time to be looking for. You are just jobless, hopeless man. That is what you are. The jobless is written all over you. In 100, I'm a Jepa hotel. You want to go? Oh, hotel. Yabani monetize like page go. Ki sonyari ma 1 naira. Choma hotel big na rodo. Nga hin on a hotel take up about 20 hours. Cause I mean susware. Yafuma go. You see this our love. Where they prepare woman. Where they give you na BP. Yafubunu. Yes. Na me. Omunako. Yafuma pepe, madam, know your problem. Yafuma boogie. Emma him, we're all domabu we go overnight. Because he has come to stay. I'm a friend that supports friends, both financially, both physically, otherwise. I want my friend in a chiri. Yes, oh him no along with him na chiki pum very close. I'm one about so matane it the bad. You're not contributing anything in my life. I decide to let you be. Jemanu. We're gonna go. Nabamji don't hear. Nabamji like ya. When I be your wife, let me tell you, I can know that one year I can know that when I can make her love and I love her and make me. She knows me very well. She knows me very, very well. I respect her for being a cause wife. But don't question matter the game on social media. Don't question matter how this demon suppress. You want to go? And I'm married every woman's dream. I'm married every woman's dream. A man who respects me, a man who loves me, a man who is well informed, who is well educated. A man that go to work also maybe fingerprint in Oboda. A man that worthy and don't associate with useless men. And I'm going to Eziokwu. And I'm associated with Umuka for shame. You are one of them. You are jobless. Completely jobless. That's why your life is so bent on other people. How they are doing, what they are doing, what they do, who they associate with. Because only when you make people occupied, you will not be this restless. You are restless. I could not noticing you. I could don't know you. I could don't know that you exist. The young man has moved on, doing his big. Look at the. Go and see. Ako is the one handling that place. He's the one handling it. Nando Hairana. Billions of naira contracts. I'm not here wiki. You are not among. I'm not here wiki. You are not among the thing in a furuki to your bone marrow. Deal with it. Cry us a river. We don't give a fuck. We don't care. Deal with the pain. Let it be your everlasting pain. He has moved. He's also like all your lodo. Also like when you see him go and challenge him face to face. Okay, shame me. Or you challenge him face to face. Because you have rant too much. This blue out. Nothing more. This time, I will write immigration. I'm still waiting for all of you. Jepa, can you not see asking for my work ID? Where I work, where I live, where I live. And I am being the only one to give you the real address you're looking for. They are useless. They are saga people. If they couldn't get me, I will get with them today. You are a bastard. All of you guys are useless. People that see Chamanam came 12 to 10, 7 to 8 years. They're not getting it. You will tomorrow. Ma jogi e mata go to a place I'm working. What would you do? Can you get many? One narrative match also in a second, a minute. Yeah, the agencies in them from obeyed. Now, when sharing my valuable time, they call once in a week. Are you available? I'm a traveler. So, okay, what is the Dala, bunch of idiots, jobless men and women everywhere. Actually, prognosing in other people's lifestyles. Dala,
the uncontrollable fighter who does not know how to manage or run his business because this is his first time ever running any business or such.
Now, what business do you have to run? You that is educating others, get him with it to offer. Are you not one like him? Which business are you running yourself? Let others imitate from you. Start it. You will be just start a banner yakra. Start it, everything in a business, a hustle and a hustle. All depends on how you package it. Package one hustle. I could don't package it onto his own satisfaction. Package your own. Let us learn from you. Leave other people things alone. Dala.
Hence he has been under your control. What has he gained? That some of us don't talk doesn't mean we don't know what to say or do. You know, if we all keep quiet, you think you are making headlines or you're doing well. See, the target is now. If you from you than to be wasting money for no reason.
What did he gain for you guys? You and J-Pack will be chopping like useless two men. Go and look for a job. Stop eating from others. Business ya down winishia. Business ya grow nishia. Grow your own. Let's see what you are capable of doing. Are you not a man? What's up pure water? Let us patronize you. Package it well. Let us patronize you. Ghana, what put that boy every morning? Package here, put let us patronize you. That is what we want. Everything in a business. And when may I have one multi-million naira business? Package one thing. Let us see how you can run your miserable, childish, frustrated life in the name of business. We want you to package. Show me. Akomate buhunage. Akomate buhunage. Nothing else will benefit you. Akomate bugi. And Akomate must lure you into pain. Deal with it. It has happened. It has happened. Move on. Dala.
Use your mouth on the internet. We'll come out and drag you out again. You'll be at the junction ranting. We'll go back inside and be doing the right thing.
I'm here any day, any time. Any day, any time. I go to give it to now. Especially you and J-Pipe. Water. I'm here. Let me stay here. Without me, I 1 year, Papa. That 1 year, Papa. You can never have peace in this route in a chain. Whether you am not the pain is a cruciating word. It does no matter more 2 years ago, Metro give back to you. That is one thing you should understand. It doesn't matter how long it takes. Every ball on the opposite of the world, the microphone, make your back. Until you learn how to mind your fucking miserable life and move on. And I call you.
This is the way it is. We will stress you for 20 years. Me personally, no matter the level.
And me will give you restless mind for the rest of your life. I want only 20 years. Me personally, Ogechi, we give you restless life for the rest of your life. Mark it one place. They will get tired of me. I will. Am I hearing distraction? Hello, my darling. How are you? Mba.
No matter where we are, I will stress you. After making these videos now, I give you my words as a chief controller of your conscience and your madness.
Listen, Ranta, Facebook warrior, Facebook Ranta. Now listen and listen very attentively. Okay, listen. Akuzayon nona Bruno as I speak to you now. I think we're out that also issue. Ole, you know how many people are feeding there? Akuzayon na Bruno got on Facebook na rante. Don't you have men again? Akuzayon na name out here without no security. Ishila ni walk and amushirigike Escon. Around my shit. I do my shako to that. Ishila na amushirigike that you are man. No one in teaching. On Facebook to go and show it practically. A woman in America don't have Charlotte. I will not be less than the boon. Naria Kuzayon Kobenia chieftaincy title for bringing development in Abefa. I will not be here. He had Jack all time because so much woman me. I will not be less than the boon as an teaching that. I'm who appreciate it. They don't even know that you exist. I will not be an investment in a bed and go. I will not be. Haven't you had it? You know, into Shiriki. Tagaram that Amusu here. Tagaram this ex-convict. Tag his page here because I know I did not block that one through here. Tag the bastard here. Escom. I will not pay. Send the Bunu are pleading. Na Riako. Mwamu Biazina can get this title. That I will put it. Mwana don't to go to Mbidi. That you refuse to know Ngobala. Aku the reason answer all there. Aku had got a distance for one good year. And that Reverend Father. May God bless that Reverend Father. He's one of the most honest Reverend Father I have ever seen. He's one of the most honest to a fault. All the people get me mad to get join a Catholic church. That Reverend Father. That Reverend Kennedy. All know the kind of a man that will make you to join Catholic Church by honest to a fault. A man that never beat a man where to a fault. Oh, you can actually go and put an end to what is happening. And we're going to go Aku, the controller of that place. Gashi Hiji wouldn't work. In teaching. Go and stop that movement. Go and put in my being where he can no all this useless fellow men who suck up and pass with nothing to write on. Connectless men with nothing to write. That's it. He shouldn't a man. Tag that ex-convict here. Tag that page here. Calling him the coup. Tag J-pipe walker flush. Tag ya. Tag all of them. Israeli man, stop ranting. Take a flight back from that user to Abuja when go to your village and show that you are man enough. Ex-convict Governor Onyoshi, I challenge you to go and village go and prove that you are a man. Kaji. That tunnel, if it's a Facebook gonna rant, I conscience. I'm here talking to you. I could don't need to reply you. Iruroya. Oh, you want to get on a dash, you go dash. So, Maduna Media, Agaba war. Maduna Media, oh, always lay down. Not like some woman shower that I cannot even hire to be cleaning house. Gotcha, put up on a wage. No, Maduna Media, I don't take a gaga war. He has fed you couples of times. So keep crying. You have to be in pain for the rest of your life. And so fucking what? And we know woman rule the world. We know woman control Samson. We keep your doctor every can. And we who know one rules the world. What keep your power and way to one. If I control like it's not a first thing. So deal with it. Deal with the pain. Feel it. Go obuogi. I wouldn't call you one and I should have I should have a date. But nevertheless, who give a fuck? Who cares? Move on. If friendship is no longer working, move on. And when you cheap and you go, relationship is not do or die, especially this ones you met on Facebook. I believe I come at all through social media. If it's not working, sister to see deal with it. Yeah, walk on, move on. And when you get with enemy today, get a war friend. When you get with a friend, the time you turn to enemy. Everybody go. Refuse. Go. Move on. No. Stop crying like a little child every day. Quack. Deal with the pain and move on. I'm not keeping up, but use your own brain. But your own and stop continuing nuisance.
Your camera and start ranting in less than 48 hours.
Yes, and don't conquer again. Yes, and you will keep on crying, and don't get you will keep on replying to you. Yes, until this world they end here. Yes, begin when say mama no go sleep, no go sleep. Begin when say mama no go sleep, no go sleep. Begin. That is how it is. Yeah, let me tell you, yes. Any day, anytime. Any day, anytime. God, that useless first son. I'm a condition, Yana. Deal with her can be fucked up. That is how it is. Joy, your latest condition, Yana. I make question. Yeah, be up working at J pipe. That joy his recent state of condition now. But the joy of name on name. On your mother Kalia Kalia physical, Kalia practical. Okay. Until you understand this, that I could Kalia generation. Okay. Ishila ni woke na mukaraga as a man. Gashia go nangobala. On days inu benezi unu na rio aquarium. Pia kamne title. Kijiri butra ni development. Abrangi that avalula than you in that your indigent place. And akoshene gabia state ya gabia. But I could come to your place me honey la. Ichopashionu. Akoshida you cannot enter the state ya. No puto ye poch. Akuchiegi you will not enter. In around till mouth. You can't do fucking shit. Move on. Money na fena okoko. Itu prowego no bo. Enwo honya to progene. Deal with the pain. You cannot do anything. And what if you get that Facebook in a bono? And don't na kono na US unu ka sha kolota. Unu na egbili na Nigeria 24/7. Apugodi mu unu na selota. Akwa nwanyi o. Yeah, this is my new page. This is my new page. Follow it. Yes, I woman na watch everybody will get to Nigeria. Because Akuna na Nigeria go and dig it with him. For where? For where? No get you with that because una get America kudu jigidezi aka. Euro na eka alalata. Euro na ise lata. Elata. Anakoiri. No keep begging on Nigeria. Bana that village no gabata. And we win men. Men in there now. Oh, you mobilize men. But mobilize them. See how your people are worshiping as God. It won't do anything in their presence. You are worthless. All they know you is a ranter. Na gako boroko. Na gaki hakropa. Fry pan you will regret. Listen, you will regret by the first day you started fighting Ako. Big boy. What big boy? In a channel 20,000 and boss. A channel 1 naira and boss. Yana forget. Deal with it. Deal with it.
What else can you say? Ex-convicts?
Nah.
Your target.
I'm not forget where Escon. I couldn't not bomb and pump dinaram. Only not bubble get you, believer. Only not bubble get you and pack a bag. And when you not bomb, do I give a why are you crying on your own? Why are you guys crying on our own? Eh? And when I'm not bobemu, I get you to a member cell. Only I could have my member cell. I am car. I get and when you be on my page, Mono buy. Why are you crying? Why are you crying now? Are you not a member that they call me names? Scam Lord of Chicago, a criminal, and any bag. Cry me a river, you are an escon. That is who you are. You are an escon.
Some people you tag them in the home they gay. You want respect for your dear late dad. But you have no respect for late Senator Ifeanyi Ubah.
Thunder Wogi. Amado Bob Wogi. Ebu bitere picture Ifeanyi Ubah. Did I picture Ifeanyi Ubah put you on a wall? And did I insult late Ifeanyi Ubah? Did I insult late Ifeanyi Ubah? Putangam putara wo ihe basara late Ifeanyi Ubah. Ihuna brain ga are who together. You don't even have anything to defend it no. I don't know why. I stated ihe je park gbaramu gbemebem parri Ifeanyi Ubah gbemebem kuru anything against him. He won't no defense. He don't have no defense. I only state categorically clear what J Park told me. I never posted any picture. Aunu bulaziria di Ifeanyi Ubah unu na akpa aha. J Park putagwam the particular Ifeanyi Ubah that he was referring to. All he told me was Ifeanyi Ubah. I never added senator. I never posted any picture. I never brought out anybody. I never said anything. Let's assume J Park said, let Professor Timothy or late Timothy Okeke without adding any title, I wouldn't have known who JPAC was referring to. Let's assume JPAC Potter. Timothy Okeke, who talk on America, in America. I wouldn't have nobody. How would you know it's me? How would you know it's me? He brought that picture. You guys know the ones you guys are referring to. You guys brought that picture. You guys tag it on your page. The person you are referring to, Thunder working at that's your useless JPAC. That's your two useless men. Thunder Skatona Abuishi. Look at Indigenous school, they cannot reason. Senator Ifani Oban from Nnewi. Millions of people are answering Ifani Oba. Many people Ifani Oba wanna. Did I show any identity that signify? No, what I had is what I spoke. JPAC with that particular idiot of you guys are the one that choose on your little food that brain you got. You guys chose. So JPAC putaze kuya. And the noise ya we henge ja kubo gente. No sa hu ki ke gama kubo gente. No sa hu henge ja kubo gente as person on this platform. Obi ke get deaf and dumb. And I be akinyo. Let's see. Who the fuck are you referring with the picture? As of today, I'm not the particular person on it. Go and watch my video. And the guy add all this sugar coat the senator Newi, if I know about picture. These are all the things I ask you to bring. If you don't prove it, you guys are useless. And you guys are cowards. Manless men, that's what you guys are. Cannot do shaking that to rant. And I call it. So you could say, okay, and then JPAC humiliated my father. Whatever with the bitch, you see how little your minority brain is. Very poor in reasoning. I want to put it in any debate. You are too poor. Your IQ is very low. You act like a lunatic. You shot a game man. You want a brain. And a query.
You want people to honor the dead. Legend interior. Legend kineka. In Igbo, they should boycott legend interior. As if you can afford one of those chairs. Have you?
Both of you are damaged. I'm not talking about affording it. And anything product are condemned. You're not supposed to represent any product. JPAC are mocking the disabled ones. JPAC cannot keep secrets. Both of you are useless. You're not sure now. It does not matter whether I can afford it or I cannot afford it. That is not the bone of contention here. You are talking out of points. What you're saying got nothing to do with what I'm saying. That everybody should come out of those that volunteer to do it for free should do it for free. Don't you understand that you guys are not competent enough to do it? You two join the group. That is what I meant, and I still stand by it. And as far as I'm concerned, Okoro Emmanuel, shigi with that noise. He got to get evidence until the day JPAC get provide evidence. That is my number one evidence. It is useless as anything can. Among him just describe as convict. You are hopeless. That thing will not come out from my mouth. That is who you are. I did not tell you to honor my dead father. You don't need to honor him. But as far as I'm concerned, You like a J-Park America. Ngaka, unu ga no time akam. Ana koyedi. Unu time akam.
Recommended anybody to buy. You cannot destroy what you have never built.
And you cannot function. Both of you are not worthy to function. Una bo are not worthy. As far as I'm on my social media, I will be talking about it. Yeah, about 20 people today, so 5 people will end up buying it because I keep saying it. Yes. Believe it or not, and when the people that follow me that would like to buy, but as far as that condemn, they will not buy it. Believe it or not. Deal with it. Okay, they are aware. 20 people they interested to buy, 5 people will end up buying. By then, is business moving? Business is not moving, honey. It's not moving because there is a little discrepancy on it. On a tag, on a dance. Because when any business person not trying anything tag here on hold on a meme. Why would you give J-Park if a lot of our showers are volunteer to be doing it for free? Why can't it remain a free product? Why can't it remain a free commercial? Why would people even buy Heshigina J-Park capital? 2 useless men. Ode kana bonike. Ode kana na ko ebola security brand and them to make it leak. Ode kana bomba kana roshi. Ode ka wete. Ode ka lari. This one na re uma shakanike. 2 best useless friends together. Nothing to write home about in both of you. Go on page, you know, you defend. Now this page I did, they defend my own. I don't know why my own they bought on. Now here they talk my own. What I know kunu na shi so me where kem na shi asula. Period. You cannot close my own. No right to give preach maso. Kebiwu do not buy your hair from 2 useless men. Muakare.
If you keep quiet, I'll put words in your mouth. I'm saying it on camera.
And the man and nobody here didn't to listen that you will utter a word that will not reply you. Yes, I will reduce you to nobody. Because in my way, because at some people who that you're not worthy to run in any office. You were a saga chairman. You are a sagaranta chairman. You are not worthy to run in any office. You don't understand it. You get entry here, man. You're not gonna run any office and win. Also, like you will to like get but package a for connection. Also, like you will to like get get woogie. And a chaga happen iman win kata chicken. I'm going to name put for Senate. Woo! One phone call will damage you, but one phone call will damage you again. Na chairman. You are finished. Makachi, onwa kamuna gigana koya. Any day you talk to me, I will reply you with a bomb as well. You are nobody. You stink. A man like you that will go impulsive, begging no, but you put 20,000, 10,000, 5,000, or Sirinike, go and look for job. Get around. Go and look for job.
If you close mouth sometimes, we will go and took J-Park to say one thing. I'm telling you, I know they hide, they tell you.
And I go there to him. I go there to him because I need any dream here. No more pana. I go there to him. Because someone I'm sure you want control that tunnel, that fortune. I go there to him. Oh wait, I couldn't see a page when I'm not gonna boost him. I go there to him, I couldn't boost you. But my page in the life. I go there to him and women he don't say he don't know me. So go. I like it. He get chicken. Look at an imbecile. Look at a would take anything. Quality I will come for now. Jepako to the Jepako to the Gumiri. A man that promise everybody. Now they met us more Shichana Pata. It's to like a Shigamiri correction Nina the whole world, the whole Genata weekend. Cake Bagami, it took out Getabaga. Come on, get out. Come on, get out. You guys should come and prove me wrong. I will pay you any damage. Power to la ganile. Only one can get any damage. Chicken. Doctor no stand by. Doctor no stand by. Doctor can let check him in there. He must test to that EK. He must test to that EK. And I call it. Time is shown again.
Do like this. Stop here. You will leave your work because I know if you are too busy where you are, you will not on camera and start ranting.
And if you have a job, you will not be this restless. Many and I hear ranting like you. You are nothing but a hopeless man. You wouldn't with a job that you are doing that is fetching you money. You're feeding your family. You make something you're supposed to do. Hopeless, jobless men are people like you. And where I call do you think they'll have time for this rubbish? Do you think they are and the millions of responsible Igbo men Come block all this idiot. I get the fuck out of here. It is hopeless. A ballon fair, you are a hopeless man. Many busy, catering for their family, building for future. Many things in their brain. They are too occupied. It is hopeless. Joblessness with your problem. Get a J-pipe. Ndala, Oji Facebook, Eri. Two idiots.
We are the city of Abuja.
No.
Without being glue of anything that moves by night. We control you.
Bitch, you are just ranta. People na obodon na gonna control Lugi. Stop ranting. You don't control Shikam. Abuja is meant for everybody. Abuja is anybody can enter Abuja. No na hotel. Make comment. Make video. You are just a foolish man. You don't control nobody. We are the one that running your shit. We are the one that run your life. That is why your life is so fucked up. We are running you. We are running you, bitch. If you are not running you, why are you always thinking about us? Why are you always thinking about us? We run you. We have caged you. In our ways, we are not caged, Gogi. You will only movement in your life anymore. You wouldn't be other men, you wouldn't be here.